A premium choice, the most accurate digital kitchen scale from Greater Goods. By updating our classic kitchen scale to a single sensor model, we've crafted a baking scale that makes your breads, cookies, and pastries easier to prep and brings your food closer to perfection, at a budget-friendly price. The Freshest Features, the qualities you need and expect in a precision baking scale: readings down to the gram, an 11-pound capacity, extra-large LCD display, easy-to-clean surface, 4 different units of measure, and super-accurate single sensor. Simple and stylish, never let a kitchen accessory cramp your style again. The simplistic, modern design of this baking scale fits right in with the decor of even the trendiest space. We've combined the best of both worlds, just about as slim and easy to store as our best-selling kitchen scale and more accurate. True support, our friendly team in St. Louis are industry experts at the ready to assist you with any questions that might arise about your precision baking scale. We take pride in our work and want you to have a great experience from beginning to end. Beyond a purchase, yes, we design and produce high-functioning, slick-looking food scales, but we value the positive impact of a purchase, on a global level, as much as anything. That's why we only partner with ethical factories and ensure a portion of every sale is given back to a charity that aligns with the nature of what you'll be using. Top reviews from the United States. It reacts quickly and has a hold feature. I'm very happy with this scale. Physically it is a good size. I like that it is one color and I think black looks nice in the kitchen. The scale turns on quickly. It reacts and settles quickly. The display is large and easy to read. The design makes it easy to keep clean. My old scale had an elevated glass top. Things could always get under the top and it was hard to keep the scale looking clean. This design is much better and easier to keep clean. I also like that the area around the buttons is smooth, easy to wipe clean. I think the hold feature is great. It seems like my old scale was always turning off just as I was about to weigh something. It was really annoying. Using the hold feature on this one keeps the scale powered on for 5 minutes rather than the usual 2 minutes. It's awesome. One thing that took some getting used to is how easily the scale turns on. While cleaning it, I realized that if I brush over the power button at all, my scale turns on. The button is super sensitive when it comes to turning the scale on. After learning this, I just clean the scale before turning it off, or I clean it and let it turn off on its own. So far I'm very happy.